So in this tutorial, we're going to showcase how to enable persistent sessions in your Pumas app. This will work not only in desktop, but also in the Pumas in the Cloud app. Here I'm using Pumas in the Cloud in my browser window, but that would also work for Pumas desktop. So these are sample project, and I have a file called my model. This is a simple model. It's a one compartment ID model without any random parameters. So let's run this model. Let's open our repo. Suppose that while my mother is feeding, somehow my window crashes. So let's close this tab. Now if I open back again, and I go to the right folder, my project, you see that I am back at the very early beginning, at like mark 0. So I need to start all over again with my feeding, my model. I lose all of my session in the Judah repo. So how do we fix this? First of all, we go to our extensions here on the left tab. We go to then you go to the Julia extension here. We click on extension settings. Now this is really important. You go to the remote here. And if you scroll down, towards the bottom, you see that we have Julia persisting sessions, and then you should enable this. In my case, it's already enabled, so we should enable this, and then you are all set in the extensions. You want our model again? Oh, let's close this session. So let's close this session and now open again. So now when we open our session, we see that our repo has a new look. There is a green banner on the bottom. This is the Timbuk pane. So the persisting session uses Timbuk. If you want to learn more about Timbuk, go ahead and learn it. Otherwise, you don't need it. Just to have a persistent session in your Pumas app. So let's open my project. Now let's simulate a crash. So let's run this line of code. And once our mod is feeding, we are going to close our session. Either like closing the Pumas desktop app or closing the browser tab. So here it's running, I'm going to close the tab. So now let's open back again. And you see that magically now our repo will be initialized and we won't lose our session. The session will be now persistent and we'll see the results from our feed. So let's wait. And there you go. We have the results of our feed. And this is, why this is variable, it's called, it's feed results. So if you go to the repo and type in feed results, we get back everything. So this is how you do persistent sessions in Pumas. I hope you enjoyed this video.